What is up, people on the internet? Today I'm on my lucky top, you know. You know why? Because Manchester United is playing against Chelsea at home. So obviously, I'm Malaysian, so I don't get to go there because I'm poor. But to celebrate the festive days, whatever it's called, I got this. Last time out, we got a bronze, a limited edition, so I don't think we're gonna get anything. So last time we did the bean pack and we got him. So enough blah 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 blah. It's been 45 seconds already. I'm gonna do an Eason Gibb pack because he's the pack king, right? So it's like swag one from alarm. Oh my god. No, that's not correct. Okay, let's do again. Swag one from alarm. Okay, let's open it now. Okay, you get to see it, right? Come on. Oh, Chelsea forward. Chelsea forward. Okay, we put him here first. Okay, now Baba Rahman, Ryan Bennett, Ballerina, Mulumbu, Jonjo Shelby, and the code. Yeah, this time it'll be close enough. So who the hell is we got Diego Costa. Look, same shirt, same team. Bronze, I don't have him. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. My luck is crazy. What? Eason Gibb, thank you. This is not a throw, guys. Okay. Okay, yeah. So yeah, good day to you.